Do you want your own personal AI agent? Let's build one with n8n. And yes, it can generate anything you want. Before we dive into the details, let's first check out the demo to see what we're building today. If I say like, what is AI agent and send here. So here you can see, so this is going through Google Gemini chat model. And now this is creating a post in my LinkedIn account. So if I go to my LinkedIn account and refresh here, so here you can see, so this has created a post. What is an AI agent? And so this has created a pretty good post here. Similarly, so you can create as much as post you want, and this will be automatically created inside your page. I will show you step by step how you can create yours as well. So let's get started. So to get started with the n8n, so you just have to go into n8n.io first, and here you can see get started for free. So here you just put your full name, email and account name. Since I have already done it, so I'll just simply click on login, and if you sign in, so this will take you to this UI. So here you see the option to create the workflow. So I have already created one workflow, so I will start from the scratch. So here you can see this is the first step. So on the first step, so you have different options. So you can send through chat message, or you can trigger manually, or on form submission. So there are different ways, but for this one, so we'll just use on chat message. Click on test chat here. So here you can see type a message. So let's say hello and enter. So you can see, so this will send this as chat input hello. So now whenever we type some message, so we want it to go into some AI model. So for that, we will add one AI agent. So this will take the user prompt, which is hello in our case. So if I click on execute this step, the chat model subnode must be connected first. Okay, so let's go here, and first let's add the chat model. So for that, you can use different AI model. So you can see you can use Anthropic chat model, Google Gemini, Grok. So this is also for free. You can try this one, OpenAI chat model. So you have to get the API keys of this one. So for now, so I will be using the Google Gemini chat model. So let's click on it. And here you just need to add the credential. So to create a new credential, so what you need to do is go into Google AI Studio. So simply click on here. If you see here get API key, so click on get API key. So from here you can create a new API key. So let's say n8n tutorial, and here you can choose any project. So let's say if you want to create new project, you can do that as well. So let's create a new project. Let's call it Code with Arjun, and create a project. And now you can choose the project and create a key. So once you do that, so you just need to copy the API key from here. So just copy this and go into n8n again and paste the API key here and click on save. So this is now testing. So connections tested successfully. So now you can close here. So once you do that, you can see two of them for me, but you will see only one for you since I have connected before as well. So this is showing. So let's go with the account 2. So now here just search for 2.5 flash. So just search for flash. So I will be using a 2.5 flash model. So you can use and try other model as well. So once that is done, so here let's go here and click on AI agent. So inside the AI agent, so we have to give a user prompt. So for that, here you just need to click on define below, and here so you just need to define the user message. So for this one, so we'll just say create a LinkedIn post with the following content in plain text by searching from web, and we said no markdown. So because this will come in the markdown format, so just say no special symbol, and we just have to drag and drop this one. So if you just hover onto this one, so you get the option to drag and drop here. Now this will say, so create a LinkedIn post with the topic that you're getting. So for now, this is just hello that we tested before, but later so we'll just say what is AI agent, something like that. So we'll send the message to create a post. So now if I execute the step, so here you can see now this should be showing some text from the AI agent. So you can see create a LinkedIn post using hello. So this is now saying hello everyone, hope you're productive this week. So now let's test with something else. So what is Java? It's a programming language, right? So let's create a post about what is Java. So if I click on send, so this will now trigger the AI agent and go into this Gemini model, and this will give the output. So here's a LinkedIn post about what is Java. So the Java at its core, Java is a powerful, high level object oriented language. So this is showing this format /n/n. So we have to remove this and post into the LinkedIn. So now to post into the LinkedIn account, so what we need to do is just click on plus sign here, and here so do something in app or service like Google Sheet, Telegram or Notion. So click on app in action. So here you just need to search for LinkedIn. So let's say LinkedIn and click on create a post. So for LinkedIn as well, so we just have to connect it with the new credential. So I have already connected. So to connect new credential, just click on create new credential. So if you click on connect my account, so this will open the pop-up to connect your account. So and also enter your password and click on sign in. So this will say connection is successful and also account is connected now. Let's close this one. So now we have to select an organization. For some reason for person it's not working, but a page. So just choose the page here, and you just have to copy this number of the LinkedIn account page. So let me again go to the n8n here, and here on organization URN number, so just paste there. So on the text, so what we want is we just want the output, so the JSON.output. But here you can see, so this will give the result. Here is a LinkedIn post about what is Java and a lot of things, right? So here, so I will just simply copy and paste one text. So I will provide it in the description. So just paste the same thing. So that will work like this: JSON.output.replace and replace and trim. So this will, what this will do is this will replace this whatever it is thinking, and also replace this star and the whatever characters we didn't need. So this will replace, and only it will create a post. So now if I click on execute this step, so here you can see the nodes executed successfully. And if I go into my LinkedIn account and click on page post, so here you can see, so this is showing with what is exactly IS Java. So maybe we typed wrong, but it is showing this one as well, but we didn't wanted this one, so we will later fix on this one. But now we can see, so this one is working well, but we just have to fix some of the things. So for now, let's delete the post and again go back and let's see what was the issue. So let's go back again and go into the AI agent, and here just add, also write some hashtag, add the in of caption. So let's save this workflow and go into the canvas again, and here it's already saved, and let's make it active. Okay, got it. Now let's test with the scratch. So what is programming? So click enter and let's see what this will create. So you can see, so this is going into the Gemini workflow here, and so now this is working perfectly fine. So it was showing that thing, the LinkedIn post and everything, just because we were directly executing from here. So if I go into my account here on the page post and refresh this here, so you can see, so what is programming, and its core programming is the art of science giving instruction. So it has created a pretty good post. So whether it's building a website, developing a mobile app, it involves writing logical steps. So what's your favorite aspect of programming? And you can see a pretty bunch of hashtag as well. This is working well. Let's try to create one more post. So let's say, what is n8n? Let's click enter. So again, so this is calling the API from Google Gemini chat model. And now this will create a post into our page post. So let's reload this one again. So you can see what is n8n. If you're looking to streamline your work, you might have heard about n8n. It's a powerful open source workflow model that allows you to connect hundreds of apps and services to automate the repetitive tasks. So it has created a pretty good post. So this is pretty much it. So you can create as many as posts you want, but at some point you might be needing the API key as well. And also let me warn you as well here. So the pricing for this n8n is 20 euro. This is monthly fee. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing and create as many as workflow you want in just $5 using Hostinger. So please get your notification on so that you don't miss that video. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.